Rohan loves to go shopping with his mother. He knows all the 4-digit numbers. So one day, Rohan accompanied his mother while she was going to the market. Now, when his mother had finished shopping, then this was the bill amount which his mother had to pay. It was rupees 2511, which is a 4-digit number. Rohan saw his mother giving the shopkeeper these currency notes and this coin. So his mother gave the shopkeeper a currency note of rupees 2000, another one of rupees 500, another one of rupees 10, and a coin of rupee 1. So Rohan was very surprised that a single 4-digit number 2511 actually contained these many numbers. So his mother had to give these 4 numbers or currency worth these 4 numbers to pay the bill amount of rupees 2511. So every number is actually made up of several numbers. So if I take this number 2511, as we saw, it can be broken down into several other numbers. So we have 2 in the thousands place, which means that 2 thousands. We have a 5 in the hundreds place, which means there are 5 hundreds. We have 1 in the tens place, which means 1 tens or 10. And there is a 1 in the ones place, which means 1. So these 4 numbers actually together make this number, which is 2511. So 2000, 500, 10 and 1, these 4 numbers together make 2511. And what is this breaking down of numbers called? This is called expansion of a number or expanding the number. So when I write the place values of the different digits of a number and add them, it is called expanding a number. So let us expand 2511. So first I need to write the place value of the different digits. So 2 is in the thousands place. So 2000. 5 is in the hundreds place. I need to add the place values. So plus 500 plus there is a 1 in the tens place. So 1 tens means 10 and plus there is a 1 in the ones place. So I have a 1 here. So this is called expanding the number. I have expanded the number 2511 by writing the place values of the different digits and then adding them. So now can you expand this number? 1560, that is 1560. Well, how do we expand it? 1 is in the thousands place. So I write 1000 plus 5 is in the hundreds place. So 500 plus 6 is in the tens place. 6 tens is 60 plus I have a 0 in the ones place. So 0. Now note, when you have a plus 0, it means adding nothing. So when you add nothing, what you get? The same number. So you can choose not to write it. So how do you expand 1560? It is 1000 plus 500 plus 60. You don't need to write plus 0. Now how do you expand this? 4023. So this is 4000. So 4 in the thousands place means 4000. 0 hundreds means 0. 2 in the tens place means 20. and 3 in the ones place means 3. So this is the expanded form. You can simply write it as 4000 plus 20 plus 3. You can skip writing this 0 because 0 100 means nothing. So it is simply this. Now can you expand this on your own? Once again, there is a 6 in the thousands place. So 6 in the thousands place means 6000. 9 hundreds means 900. 0 tens is 0 and 4 ones is 4. So we skip writing this and we are left with 6000 plus 900 plus 4, which is the expanded form of 6904. So you have learned how to find the expanded form of a number when you are given a particular number. But what if I give you the expanded form of a number? Can you find the number from that? So if I give you 2000, 500, 10 and 1, can you find the number which these make? So you have 2000, 500, 10 and 1. So if I add all these, what do I get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So I need to add all this. I get a 1. I need to add 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 5 is 5. And I have a 2 here. So this is my number 2511. So this is the expanded form of 2511. Now instead of adding, what you can do is you can use a simpler trick. What is that? 2 thousands means 2 will be there in thousands place. We have 5 hundreds means we'll have 5 in the hundreds place. We have a 10. That means I'll have a 1 in the tens place. And 1 ones means there will be a 1 in the ones place. So this is the number we are looking for. This is the number whose expanded form is this. So I need to find a number whose expanded form is given. I have 8000. So 8 will be there in the thousands place. I have 100. So 1 will be there in the hundreds place. I have 40, which means 4 tens. So 4 will be there in the tens place. And I have a 3 here. So 3 will be there in the ones place. So this is my number. And you see how I can find it even without adding the numbers? Now what about this number? 3000 plus 60 plus 4. So I have a 3000, which means 3 will be there in the thousands place. I have a 60, which is 6 tens. So 6 will be there in the tens place. And I have a 4, which means 4 ones. But you see that the hundreds digit is blank. There is no number here because there are no hundreds here. And what do we mean by no hundreds? No hundreds means 0 hundreds. So I will have a 0 here. So recall that when we had 0 hundreds, we skip writing it. We don't write it. So this is 3064. 9000 plus 2. So how many thousands? 9000. So 9 will be there in thousands place. I have a 2 here. So 2 will be there in ones place. And hundreds and tens digits are blank. So there are 0 hundreds and 0 tens. So this is 9002. This is my number whose expanded form is given. So this is how, given a number, you can write the expanded form of the number, and given the expanded form, you can get back the number. So do practice it many times till you get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.